Hey fragrance people, my name is Mr. Fragrance. I'm back with another video. If you're new to the channel for the first time, thanks for clicking on my video. If you like men's fragrance reviews, unboxing fragrances, and free fragrance giveaways each month, you tune into the right channel. At the end of this video, all I ask for you is to please commit to hitting the subscribe button, liking the video, and sharing the video. That's it. So let's continue with the review. Hi fragrance people, YvesSaintLaurent. Y 2017 release here. You can pick it up at Nordstrom, Sephora, Macy's, any of your fragrance boutiques. Price looking at between $90 to $115. They do have a smaller bottle for about 60 bucks. I've only seen it exclusively at Sephora. I will leave links in the description down below where you can pick it up cheaper at some discounter sites online, stuff like that. But YvesSaintLaurent Y. This fragrance distribution is good. The three main notes I get in this fragrance, to make it real simple for everybody: sage, bergamot, and broxin. Pretty much it. It's one of them fragrances where it's a fresh out the shower fragrance like the Dior Sauvage, Bleu de Chanel, Sachi Dylan Blue. It's all them type of fragrances. So if you have those three fragrances, it's redundant to buy this fragrance here, in my opinion. If you want to try it out for yourself, you're more than welcome. Go to your Sephora, Nordstrom, Macy's. They do have this tester for display. You can test them out there at the fragrance store. But YvesSaintLaurent Y, I don't particularly like the fragrance at all. It's kind of redundant for me, but as a reviewer, I have to buy the fragrance and review them for people and let them know if it's a good fragrance or not. So I'll probably end up either giving a giveaway for this fragrance, or try to sell it or swap it out for something else for another fragrance YouTuber. But it just reminds me of another fresh fragrance. So if you don't have any fresh fragrance in your collection, you can pick this up here. I see as if for seasons and occasions, you can wear it dressed up, dressed down. It really doesn't matter. It's just a fresh out the shower, dumb reach fragrance you want to spray on. You're good to go for the day. What I don't like about this fragrance, my con number one is that longevity. I only get maybe 2 to 3 hours. It's not the best at all. And I had the same problem with the new EDP one too that came out this year, the 2018 one, which I have a review down below if you guys want to check that out. And the other con is projection. Maybe 45 minutes to an hour. So it's not the best on my skin, but some people have got better projection and longevity on their skin, so that's cool. I just don't get it. Compliment factors. I really didn't rate compliments with this fragrance here. I asked people, they said they like it, but I didn't like walk anywhere and say, hey, compliment factor, you smell good. Nothing like that. My girlfriend tend not really like it that much. She said it's okay. That's why I barely wear it. I have like, I only use maybe 10% of the juice in here, so it's about like maybe 90% left. It's one of the fragrances where I got hooked in when I saw the commercial and I saw the bottle design and I was sold on it. When I saw it, I gotta buy this. I really didn't get a chance to test it out because they didn't have a bottle to sample. They just had a display of what the bottle looked like at Sephora when this first came out. So my fault, I should have waited. But anyway, this is YvesSaintLaurent Y. You can pick it up in 3 different sizes. I'm going to leave a description below. If you guys have tried YvesSaintLaurent Y, please let me know. If you guys haven't, please let me know below. If there's a fresh fragrance that you guys like, please leave a comment below, let me know. Pretty much, I appreciate everybody for watching my channel. If you do like men's fragrance reviews, men's fragrance unboxing, and free fragrance giveaways, all you have to do is click the subscribe button down below, leave a comment, let me know that you want to be a next fragrance giveaway, and like and share the video. That's pretty much it. If you have any more questions about YvesSaintLaurent Y, please leave a comment below. And thank you guys for watching this video, and more videos are coming soon. Peace. I'll show you a presentation of the bottle, batch code, and the distribution again. Sprays out a lot of juice. YvesSaintLaurent Y.